Let's print the result of the division. And we see an unformatted string. Let's format it with printf formatted instead of print line. Printf. You can see string format and the object itself. Firstly, format we must specify. This is the object, but this is format. So for format we need to write inside quotes. Firstly, we must specify the percent symbol, and then if it's floating point, f. So how many symbols do we know? Do we want 5 symbols for all number? 5 symbols dot and 2 symbols after floating point. 5 symbols and 2 symbols of precision. Let's run our program. And we can see the next result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 symbol of with a fractional part, and then separator and fractional part of 2 symbols. If we write 3 symbols for precision, we can see the 3 symbols after floating point. 3 numbers after floating point now. And this prefix f we use for floating point. For simple decimal numbers we use only d for decimal and s for string. Point. For example, we want to print the next string. Albus Dumbledore was headmaster of Hogwarts for 40 years. Was headmaster of Hogwarts for 40 years. And we want to customize this string, make it dynamic with various name of headmaster and this number. Let's extract this in separate variables. String Albus. And here we will extract this string Albus Dumbledore. And the term of office in years. Int variable term of office in years, it will be 40 years. And here we just use this variable Albus concatenate. If we use print line instead of printf, Albus concatenate was headmaster of Hogwarts for concatenate term of office plus and years. Print our string. We can see the next result. Albus was headmaster of Hogwarts for 40 years. And we want to use printf. Printf. Let's comment these lines and this line. So this is some kind of string templates from Kotlin language. We must specify percent and string. Was headmaster of Hogwarts for, and here percent d decimal years, and just list our variables. Albus, this is string, and it will instead of this, and the term of office. Print our program, and we see the same results. Albus Dumbledore was headmaster of Hogwarts for 40 years. Albus moved to this, and the term of office inserted here. Now the task is for you. Print the same string for Armando Dippet, headmaster before Dumbledore. The possible solution. We need to write a name Armando Dippet. And his term of office for Dippet. Let's say 50. And just use this variable instead of variables for Dumbledore. The string is not changed. Same. Years. Armando Dippet was headmaster of Hogwarts for 50 years. Let's separate these two with print line and run our program again. Albus Dumbledore was headmaster of Hogwarts for 40 years and Armando Dippet was headmaster of Hogwarts for 50 years. There is also the next flags. We can specify sign. This is if this is positive numbers, the sign is plus. Else, if it's negative numbers, the sign minus. We can see the sign plus. Let's separate with out. Run our program again. And we can see plus. So if we use the negative numbers and run our program, we can see the minus for negative numbers. This is for sign. Let's count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5. It's a match, but what if we specify 9? Count. No, count of symbols. We can see the next result. Nine. So let's add 0 for leading zeros, nulls. Oh, it's all of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's specify the more 15, for example. Yes. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 14, and etc. 50 symbols with leading zeros. Without this 0, it will the next result. Only space. And if we specify 0, it will be zeros. Yes, leading zeros. Also, we can add a group separator with comma. Run our program. And we can see the separator. It's group separator. Often in accounting programs, it's required to write negative numbers in parentheses. For this, we just specify the parentheses, this flag. For negative numbers. Parentheses. Let's run our program. This is positive number. Let's make it negative number. And run our program again. And yes, we can see the parentheses. Good job. See you in the next lesson.